Dude, I just got this new airsoft gun. It's pretty sweet. You want to take a look at it?
Oh, cool, man. This thing looks real. Holy smokes, it's got chamber and everything. Are you sure this is not 22?
No, dude. I mean, I know it looks real. I mean, it might as well be, but it's not. So go ahead and go down range. I'll show you. It doesn't hurt at all. Like, let's go.
All right, is this a good distance right here?
Yeah, dude. You ready? All right, come on. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh no.